we are going to see the topic of comparison operators. Normally, operators are symbol. The symbols are used to perform a particular operation in our program. In comparison operator, we see both symbols are less than, greater than, double equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than equal. These symbols are used to perform the comparison operation in Python program. So we see the example for it. So now I take it a variable a equal to 7. So I assign the 7 value in a, b equal to 5. So normally b holding the 5 value. Now I check the every condition. So print function is to print the particular data. So a greater than b is, so this is a string, so just to print the value. Now check the condition a greater than b. So now check with the condition. So a is holding 7 value, b is holding 5 value. So a is a greater one. So when the condition is satisfied, it is printing true in our output. When the condition is failure, it automatically produces a false in our output. So here the condition is true. So condition is satisfied, so it will automatically produce a true. So uncheck the a less than b. So this is the condition is not satisfied, so it is automatically produce the false in our output. So now check with another is print a double equal to b. So here the double equal means both are same. Here a is 7, b is 5, so both are not same. So here as the output value is not satisfied in the particular condition, so it automatically produces output in false in our particular condition. So now I take it as c is a c variable equal to 7. Now I'll check with print a, so double equal to c. So now check with a and c both are same, so it automatically produces true in our output. So this is true because both are same value in our variable. So now check with print a. This is for not means not equal b. So both are not equal means it produces two in our output. So here a is 7, b is 5. So both are not equal, so it automatically produces the true in our output. Print a not equal to c. Here a and c both are same value, but here not equal means it automatically produces a false in our output because it is condition is not satisfied. So and after check with print a greater than or equal to, this symbol box greater than or equal to b. So we check greater than or equal, so it automatically condition true means it produces true in our output. Print a less than or equal to b. So we check with the conditions. Condition means it's not satisfied, so it automatically produces the false in our output. So these are the operators we are using the comparison in Python programming. So thanks for watching this video.